Hello and welcome back to the channel. So it's been another interesting week for HCMC. Today's been a red day, first red day for about a fortnight I think. It's been an absolute roller coaster ride so far. If we look at the last week, we started at what, 17 I think. I put a video out on Monday. I think that was when we finished at 0.0026, and it's just gone from strength to strength, peaking at over 60 at one point this week. If I can just get that, yeah, 0061, and then did it hit 60 again? No, it was 0059 there. And yeah, like I say, it has been a roller coaster. It's been up and down. So when I did my video on Monday, I was 320% up. That was when the news of the $5 million worth of shares at 150% above the price at the time. And that's when that broke, which probably caused that initial spike there at the beginning of the week, but we're just below that point now as the markets close on Friday. Yeah, so we got up to about 46 at that point, but it's currently sat at 43. Markets just closed. What a week! Absolutely amazing week. I have been watching other people's YouTube videos on this, and although they're all giving lots of advice and singing the praises of this share, I don't see anybody actually saying this is how many shares I've got, this is the skin that I've got in the game. And that's where I think I like to do things differently. You know, I will sing and dance about a share if I think it's doing particularly well. But I'm also willing to show you that, you know, I'll put my money where my mouth is, basically, and I think a lot of these people don't necessarily do that, but you know, still some good information out there if you need it. So it's going to be an interesting weekend because we've got a 3-day weekend. Got President Day on Monday, so markets don't reopen now till Tuesday. So hopefully there's going to be a lot of pent-up people wanting to buy over the weekend but can't, and then they can't get in on Monday. So big movements on Tuesday, hopefully. And we'll see what it can do. We'll see what it can do. See how far it can take. I understand the volume pretty much every day this week has been over 8 billion. I think last time I checked it today, it was 10 billion today, and that was on a red day. So I mean that's huge volumes. I understand there was like 80 billion shares outstanding months ago. But we must have been buying through those by now. They must have all gone by now. The amount of volume we've been doing over the last week or two, which basically means we're trading shares among ourselves now. You know, there are people selling in the Discord channel. They're hopefully selling at these highs and hopefully buying in again at a slightly lower price. But I really don't think the movements are that much that you're going to gain from it, especially if you've got a really low average price. With today being a red day, I'm going to see what happens on Tuesday, and I may be tempted to put a bit more money in, buy a couple more shares. But if we see a big spike on Monday, then it's pointless. I don't want to ruin my average price too much. Although at this stage it's probably more about how many you carry rather than what your average price is. You know, average price was 0006. How many of you have bought another? Let's take it up to 600,000 shares. It's not going to move the average price that much. But it's still, you know, it's still X to change such a good average price, doesn't it? Anyway, that's going to be the journey for this week. It's been a very interesting week. The month has been amazing. Please like and subscribe to follow the journey and follow along with the stock. And probably won't do another video on HCMC until Tuesday time. See what happens on Tuesday. All right, so that about wraps it up. Hopefully see you in the next one. Take care.